In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text in Affinity Photo. We'll walk through the simplest, most flexible way to add a clean outline, also called a stroke, to your text while keeping everything fully editable. Start by adding your text with the Artistic Text tool. You can access it from the toolbar or by pressing the T key. Click once on your canvas to create a headline-style text box, then type your wording. Choose your font, size, and weight in the Context toolbar so your text looks roughly how you want it before adding the outline. Don't worry, you can edit these choices later. Next, look over to the Layers panel and select the text layer you want to outline. Making sure the correct layer is highlighted is important because the effect will apply only to the layer you've selected. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click the FX icon to open the Layer Effects dialog. This is where Affinity Photo bundles all the non-destructive effects you can apply to a layer. In the dialog, check the option labeled Outline. As soon as you enable it, you'll see a preview of the stroke around your text on the canvas. Now adjust the radius to control the thickness of the outline. A small radius gives a subtle edge. A larger radius creates a bold, graphic look. If you're designing for smaller text, be conservative so the stroke doesn't overwhelm your letters. For big titles or posters, a thicker outline can help your text pop. Choose the color for your outline by clicking the color swatch. For maximum readability, pick a color that contrasts with both your text and the background. A pure white or black stroke works well in many situations, but feel free to match brand colors or pull a hue from your image for a cohesive design. If alignment options are available, decide whether you want the outline aligned inside, outside, or centered on the edge of the letters. Inside alignment keeps edges crisp and is great for small text. Outside alignment preserves the letter shapes and is ideal for bolder styles. Centered is a balanced default if you're unsure. As you tweak, keep an eye on the live preview and adjust until it feels right. When you're happy, click Close. The effect is applied non-destructively, which means your text remains fully editable. You can change the wording, font, size, or come back to the FX panel to refine the stroke at any time. That's it. A clean, professional outline on your text in just a few clicks, with all the flexibility you need for future edits.